Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a fingerprint unlock to your Google Pixel 9a. Let's get started. First thing first, open your settings app. Scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. Within the Security and Privacy menu, you will see Device Unlock. Tap on that and then select Face and Fingerprint Unlock. You will be prompted to choose a backup screen lock method, pattern, PIN or password. For this demonstration, I will go with PIN. If you choose PIN, enter your desired PIN. Tap Next. Then re-enter it to confirm. If you choose pattern or password, follow the on-screen instructions to set those up. After confirming your chosen unlock method, you will be asked to choose what you want your lock screen to show. Select your preference. Now, on this page, tap on Fingerprint Unlock. You will see a quick overview of the process. Tap I agree to continue. Next, it will show you how to set up your fingerprint. Tap Start. To register your fingerprint, place your finger flat on the sensor. Then lift it and touch again, slightly changing the position each time. Continue this process until the progress bar is full. Once it is complete, you will see fingerprint added. Tap Done. And that's it. Fingerprint unlock is now set up on your Pixel 9a. Let us test it out. I will go to the lock screen. As you can see, it unlocked instantly with my registered finger. Now let me try with a different finger, and as expected, it is not unlocking, confirming our setup works perfectly. That wraps up this video on how to set up fingerprint unlock on your Google Pixel 9a. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.